Rosemary Gingersnaps.
Yum.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, 1 bowl. Just
1 bowl, some sugar.
Okay, some sugar
into
some
butter, an
some
egg,
flour.
Oh, this is my kind of cookie.
Some ginger, rosemary, curry, clove.
Curries and cloves
And cinnamon.
So this is gonna be like
some salt and some baking powder. I do most stuff in 1 bowl.
Salt,
Try to get
baking powder. So this is gonna be a really herbaceous, like strong, like a cool, like almost like
molasses.
a gingerbread.
Oh,
yeah.
wait a minute.
There you go. There you go.
There you go. You got
Slow
it.
like molasses for a reason.
It's almost dough. 2 more seconds, it's dough. It's a sticky, tacky dough. It's done. Use a little scoop. 2 inches apart because they will spread.
And thank you for placing the Rachael Ray baking sheet predominantly in the middle of the You made the cookies, Ray.
And they will look
they're
like that.
beautiful. Want to try?
Of course I do. They're perfect.
Thank you.
I'm making what I call a lemon dream cookie. They're super lemony and bright, almost like a shortbread. They melt in your mouth. This is a recipe that I actually learned from a friend who's from Sweden. And she used to make these at Christmas all the time. And I love them because I didn't understand what she meant when she always called them a dream cookie. And then I ate them and I got it.
And they're like a sweet dream.
So butter and sugar in your food processor. You've already buttered it up. Let it get nice and fluffy. And then I'm gonna turn it on. Is it locked?
On this
yes,
side, babe. Yep.
Thank you. And I'm gonna pour in some oil. And some lemon juice and lots
of lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
Ooh,
fresh
yum.
essential oils in here. This is
It's
2
so
tablespoons
fragrant.
of it.
Yeah, they smell great.
Then I have a little bit of salt, just a half teaspoon. What is this now?
A teaspoon. Of baking powder.
Baking powder, and I'm gonna give that a little bit of a stir, and then I'm going to slowly add
so
this
simple,
in.
you just throw it all in
That's
there.
it. That's a cookie. I mean,
a cookie.
That's how you make cookies, is, you know, as long as you kind of do the butter and sugar first. There you go, this is done. And then they come together, the dough is super easy.
And then there's some here, right?
Some here, exactly. We're just gonna spoon them out. I mean, they have a very similar texture to yours,
Same thing,
Maria.
just throw them on some parchment.
Throw them on, and then while you bake them at 300, about 20 minutes, make a little honey lemon glaze. So I have some honey, I have some confectioner's sugar, a cup of confectioner's sugar, and then a little tablespoon of milk.
Just to get it going.
That's right, 2 teaspoons lemon juice. You whisk it all together. I need my spatula back if you don't mind.
Sure, babe.
Thank you very much. And it should just come together like a beautiful glaze, right like that. Drizzle it over.
You
if you wanna
drizzle
do.
or spread, or what do you do?
Drizzle just about a teaspoon, and then you can spread it very gently. If it's thick, there you go. Spread it with the back of the spoon. And I like to go, perfect.
Is that all right?
That's gorgeous. You've done this
I'm
before.
trying.
And then I like to finish with just a little bit of lemon zest on top for that
Gorgeous.
extra bite. And they're so festive, and lemons are, you know, perfect winter citrus.